In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I like to use the scalp massager, this tool here. This has little silicone, little triangle pokey bits here that act like, 20 odd knuckles to be able to massage the scalp. And these are often marketed as hair growth stimulator type devices. And yeah, I'm not sure if they do that yet, but I will figure that out at some point. But what I can tell you is that this is very much like the type of shiatsu massage that we do on our faces, but it's perfect for the scalp. So wherever you like to do this, if you want to do it in the shower when you're washing your hair, or if you want to do it at home, or make sure you do it because it's so good. It's really good for helping with forehead tension, scalp tension, of course, obviously, which will help with hair growth. And it's great for eyebrow tension, some eye tension. Honestly, it's gonna have knock-on effects really on the entire face, but just taking it into one hand, putting the little holder bit between your fingers, putting the spiky bits against your temple here, and it's like right above the ear. And then I just like to put a little bit of pressure, not loads, because this thing's already pretty good, and then just do circles. So pinning it in and then drawing little circles I'm not moving the little pokey bits. I'm not like gliding them at all. I'm just pressing in and kind of almost like vibrating it. So just do that kind of all over the head. And on each area, I'm just gonna switch the direction as well. So in one direction and then the other direction. So I'm just gonna take you through the whole thing. So here I'm taking the massager against the space above my ear and pinning it and doing those little circles. 10 circles and then reverse. Moving directly above that spot to the next spot and continuing. Go until you reach the top of the head. And when you're ready, switch to the other side. I'm really trying to just get into it, enjoy it, and soon gonna go behind and sort of under the ear area. This is a really important area that we hold tension that's related to the eye area, which I've spoken about before. So if we have a lot of tension here, then we probably have a lot of eye strain and eye tension as well. This massage just feels amazing to me. The amount of tension release going on is it feels so good. Check in if you notice any asymmetry in your tension during this massage. I feel like there's just so much information that I can get by massaging the scalp. It's like just completing the whole kind of face thing that we've been doing. Now I'm going around the back of the head again, except this time kind of one level higher, getting closer to the crown. Now it's time to massage the very top, the crown of the head. And I didn't realize how much tension I had back here. It was almost painful. I'm not really sure what I'm doing here in this demo. I definitely going over some bits at least twice. And yeah, I encourage you to do the same thing. Why not? It's great to maybe spend a little more time the first time round and then maybe just go over again for a nice, just quicker release all over again. A lot of that was a little bit kind of random, but hopefully you saw that in the beginning I kind of concentrate on certain areas for a little bit longer, maybe more like the temples, right behind the ears, top of the back of the neck. And then I just kind of make my way around back of the head, top of the head, various parts of the hairline. And yeah, just kind of do all over again but like shorter sort of times per area. So just like a couple on each little spot. And then so after that, your scalp and your head might feel kind of like, whoa, what is that? What just happened? Which is completely normal. And just giving it a little bit of a drain, just back of the head, back of the neck, over to the front, to like front of the neck, front of the chest, just to kind of drain any of the lymph that you just got rid of. So I'm just kind of putting my fingers through the back, through the hair back here, just lightly kind of moving that down. And you could also, if you have a brush, you could also, after that, just like brushing your neck down, brushing. To be honest with you, I don't always do the lymph drainage after this, maybe like once in a week or something when I'm doing this. I'll do a little bit of a lymph with the brush or my hands quickly after, but a lot of the times I'll just grab this, just sit on it for like a minute while I'm at the desk or whatever I'm doing, watching something, taking a little break from work, and then just toss it back. And then before bed, I'll do maybe a few minutes. So yeah, but that's a whole little routine just to show you how I like to use it. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you use it. Please let me know like how it feels for you and what it does for you. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.